Hello guys, welcome to my channel How to Make Garments Pattern. I am Muhammad Danish. Today I explain to you how to create off-shoulder blouse. This is my old technique. This is a small pattern. I will show you just example how to create off-shoulder blouse. This is a front part, this is a front part, and this is a back part. I already explained to you how to make your basic body. If you don't know, I will put a link in description box. You can watch my previous video. Okay, without wasting time, I will start. This is the front part and this is the back part and this is the sleeve. Basically I don't need the sleeve, or just need front and back. This is a waistline and this one is hip line. Whatever length you need, you can just measure it on your body. Just your length is around 15 inches. I am going with the centimeter. You can mark here 15 inches length. Your body length is 15 inches. You can just draw your waistline, and same line you can draw in back part. I have tracing wheel. If you don't have tracing wheel, you can mark with any type of tools, like sharp tools. Okay, this is the back line and this is the front line. This is my blouse length, or whatever you need, 14 or 13 and a half or 15, or this one is 15, and you can cut this is your front and this is your back. Now I am going to draw the princess cut. When you see the blouse is your off shoulder blouse is position is like your little bit drop on your shoulder part. So now first now I am going to draw the princess seam. This is your front princess seam. This is your front princess seam. Not too high, not too low. You just draw like this. And neckline. How much you need neckline drop? Or you need around some people wearing little deep, or some people wearing little up. So I am going with the 8 inches. This is my neckline. This is my neckline, and this is my shoulder point. This part is a shoulder point. Little bit around 1 inches down to shoulder point, and this is my neckline, this is my shoulder point. Okay, and now I am going to draw back princess seam and neckline. and you also draw the back princess seam little bit higher according to back, according to front, because front little bit down and this line little bit higher, because when you go little bit up, your shape is smoothly sitting well. Okay, and same 1 inch down the back also, shoulder. And now I am going to measure back neckline, because mostly people like the back neckline little bit deeper according to front. My front neckline is 8, so now I am going to 10 inches down. This one is my back line. Okay, and my front neckline and back neckline is already drawn. This is my sleeve. This is the back part, you see. This is my back part, back. When you can put together like this, okay, and you can draw the like this around you till the shoulder line and your sleeve distance, around between 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches to here. Okay, just a minute. You can little bit put down. If this part is going little bit overlap, don't worry. Okay, you can do like this. Your back is almost, you can cut. This pattern is without seam allowance, so when you see, this is a dart, and now I am going to adjust a dart with princess panel. You can cut back part like this. Okay, this is your back part. and you can remove this dart also. Okay, yeah, this one is done. And for my experience, sorry, my experience is you can remove little bit fabric here also. In the princess part you can remove around 1 inches, oh, sorry, half inch fabric here. Yeah, this is your done. Okay, you can mark here for the attachment. This is your back part. Back princess panel attaching till this one mark. Yeah, this one notch. Okay, your back is done, and now I'm going to make the front. And you can because now I'm going to add little bit fabric. Yeah, you can put same like the back, and you can draw the line. This is your back part and this is your front part. 1.5 inch extra. Okay, same cut like the back. Your front and back is done almost, and you can remove in your front princess cut dart. Yeah, you see, this is your front. This part is little bit sharp. Yeah, done. And you can remove half inch fabric in front princess seam also. If you can remove this one fabric, your fitting is coming very well. Okay, this is, and this one is almost done. And this one dart you can shift it, this one dart also, in the front dart also you can cut like this, and you can do overlap. You can do overlap like this. Okay, your this one dart also shifted. Your pattern is almost is done, and you can put one notch here also, and one here and one here for the stitching. If you can put notches, so when you stitch you don't face the problem. Okay. And same notches in the back. Now I am going to add in the back 2 notches, because 2 notches in the back, you don't confuse, 2 notch in the back and 1 notch in the front upper part. Okay, you see, almost is done. I hope you understand very well. If you have any doubt, you can comment me. I will try to reply. Or if you have any query, you can comment me also. If you face any problem, any style, you can comment me. Okay, guys. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, we can make another video for you. Bye.